has been said in a hadith that Dajjal will not enter Mecca, Medina and Masjid Haram. We can see that those nations about whom we say that they are Dajjal, the Western nations, have already entered the above mentioned places. So how can this hadith be interpreted?
What is the reference of this hadith? Reference of this hadith?
Yes, it has been sent from Germany, so they haven't written.
Right. But there is another hadith which the writer has forgotten. Hazrat sallallahu alayhi wa sallam saw two Masjids circuiting Khana Kaaba. One was Masih, who was divinely appointed Masih, righteous Masih. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam describes him as if he was fresh before him, that his hair was black and he was circuiting Kaaba, and as if he had just taken bath. So water was trickling down the ends of the hair, and behind him was Dajjal, Masih Dajjal, and he was circuiting behind him. It means he followed him and tried to do harm to him. This is also hadith, more authentic than that hadith. When Hazrat sallallahu alayhi wa sallam sees Dajjal himself with his own eyes following Masih, then Dajjal must be able to visit Khana Kaaba, and in fact he should be after he's towing the Masih. He is following as if an animal is following his prey. So that shows that Khana Kaaba will in fact be in the possession of Dajjal. He will try his best to go around and do harm to Masih, who is about to come. So this is one hadith and that is another hadith. But which one you like?
Both.
Right.